Hi friends, this is Pankaj here and welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks. Today we are going to learn how to wrap text inside the shape in MS Word. Let's create a new blank document in MS Word. Place the cursor here and insert the text. Adjust the font and size. I have chosen Calibri font with 8 point size and paragraph alignment is justified. Now create a shape or place any editable object. Well, I have one vector object here created earlier. So I drag this and place in document to start wrapping text inside this shape. Select the object, right click on it and choose convert to shape. Again right click on shape and choose format options. From the properties menu, start resizing the shape by clicking here and the layout window opens. Tick lock aspect ratio so that shape must resize proportionally. Now right click on the shape, click on wrap text. Choose in front of text. Position it, then right click again, and as soon as we choose the wrap option through, the text wraps around the shape nicely. Now let us start to wrap text inside the shape. Let's first change the color of an object. Copy it, then open Microsoft PowerPoint and paste it inside the slide. Select the shape, click on the shape format menu, choose the rectangle shape tool. Now draw a rectangle to divide our butterfly shape into two equal parts. Select the rectangle, go to the shape outline menu and choose no outline. Select both the shapes, go to properties menu, click on merge shapes, and as soon as we choose the option intersect, we get the shape which is half of the original shape and it's a closed curve. But to wrap the text inside the shape, we need an open curve. So to get the shape as an open curve, first right click on the shape, choose format shape. The format properties panel will open on the right side and there click on resize option. Expand size panel, re-click on shape to copy it and paste it. Then go to shape fill menu to change the color of second shape and overlap it with previous shape. Now to resize it, go to the format shape panel, enter the value to 96% in scale height and enter the value to 97% in scale width. Reposition it. Now select both the shapes and from properties menu, click on merge shapes and choose subtract. Here we get our shape as an open curve. Copy it and go to MS Word. Now right click on the blue color shape, click on wrap text. choose behind text and change shape color to a lighter one. Now paste the shape here that we have copied from MS PowerPoint. Right click on it and from wrap text click on the option through, and as soon as it applies, the text wraps inside the shape. Now comes a very important step. As we want the text to wrap more tightly or flow very close to the shape, so for that, right click on the shape, click wrap text, and then click edit wrap points. After this, we can see the adjustable red outline with square black handles or wrap points around the shape. Now bring the mouse cursor over shape and it will convert to plus symbol. Then left click over the red outline and drag it closer to the shape. After adjusting the red outline closer to shape, duplicate the shape by copying and pasting. Then go to the shape format menu, click on flip horizontal and then position it and align it with another half shape. Now select the left side shape, right click on it, then click on more layout options. A window will open. There click on text wrapping, then change these left and right values to 0.05 to make text more close to shape. Click OK to continue. Now select right side shape, click on wrap text under shape format menu. Then click on more layout options. A window will open. There click on text wrapping, then change these left and right values to 0.05 to make text more close to shape. Click OK to continue. Finally, we have our text wrapped inside the shape. Now if you want, you can select each shape, and for each shape go to shape fill and choose no fill. It will hide outside shape and we can see the text wrapped inside the background shape. Let's play more with each shape by choosing different fill colors or no fill color for them. We can choose the fill color or no fill color for our background shape too. And not only color, but we can change the position of our shape as required by the document design and layout. Thanks for watching. Please like, share the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks.